Besiege means to attack by surrounding with military forces, often causing worry or trouble. This term is crucial in understanding military strategies and psychological impacts on those besieged. It highlights the dual nature of physical and mental pressure in conflict scenarios. Compress, as a verb, means to press together or reduce in size or volume. As a noun, it refers to a folded cloth or pad applied to an injury, often used to reduce swelling or provide relief. Understanding these dual meanings is crucial for effective communication and application in various contexts. Dispatch can mean sending something off for a purpose or to kill. As a noun, it refers to an official message or the act of killing, emphasizing promptness and speed. Understanding these nuances is crucial for effective communication and comprehension. Douse means to immerse something in liquid or to extinguish quickly. This term is often used in contexts like firefighting, where flames are doused with water to prevent spread. Understanding this word enhances comprehension of actions involving rapid submersion or extinguishing. Famished describes a state of extreme hunger or deprivation. It can refer to both physical hunger and a deep craving for something lacking, such as knowledge or companionship. Understanding this term helps in recognizing the intensity of need or desire in various contexts. Gainful refers to something that is profitable or provides a special advantage. It often describes employment or activities that generate income or benefits, enhancing one's financial or personal situation. Understanding this term is crucial for evaluating opportunities that contribute positively to one's economic well-being. Ingenious describes someone or something that is clever and demonstrates remarkable originality, inventiveness, or resourcefulness. This quality is often seen in innovative solutions or creative problem-solving, where unique approaches are applied to overcome challenges effectively. Irk, a verb, means to annoy or trouble someone, causing weariness. It's often used to describe situations where persistent minor irritations accumulate, leading to frustration. Understanding this term helps in identifying and managing everyday annoyances effectively. An oaf refers to a person who is perceived as stupid, often characterized by their big, clumsy, and slow demeanor. This term is typically used to describe someone who lacks grace or intelligence in their actions or behavior. Recede means to move backward or become more distant. This term is often used to describe the movement of water, such as when a tide recedes, or in a metaphorical sense, like when a memory recedes into the past. Understanding this verb helps in describing actions that involve retreat or withdrawal.